Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. Lots of people say to me, I don't feel like I'm getting what I came here to get. Or I'm not learning the lessons I know I was born to learn. So I want to give you a big old hint. Look at your family. Look at your family of birth. Look at the feelings you have of non-acceptance, hatred, frustration, anger, hopelessness, loneliness, desperation, whatever doesn't feel good about when you're thinking about your family. And those are all clues. There's something there for you to heal, for you to transform, change, so that you end up feeling clarity, compassion, and acceptance. Now, that doesn't mean necessarily these are people you're going to want to hang out with. Maybe you just don't like them, period. And that's the way it is. Okay. But you want to end up feeling that compassion, clarity, ease, acceptance with those people. So what has that got to do with what you came here for? Well, there's some reason you were born into that family. There's something about that for you to learn that is in your face. You can't avoid it. And I'm sure you've probably noticed that those kind of patterns of the kind of relationships you've had with your family members keep repeating in your life. So those are clues that that's what you need to pay attention to and learn. So my invitation to you is look at all that. Do TAT about what doesn't feel good, and you'll find yourself gaining more and more peace, real peace, compassion, and clarity. I think you'll feel better and better, and you'll feel like, yeah, I am getting what I came here to learn. So thanks for listening, and see you next time.